So here's an example question of converting between the units of pressure. At a deep enough depth below the ocean, decompression sickness can kick in, whether there's an imbalance of pressure surrounding a diver. It typically occurs alarmingly at around a surface pressure of 3.5 atmospheres. Convert this to hectopascals and millimeters of mercury. So go ahead and try this problem for yourself. Just remember the table back here. And when you're ready, come back for the solution. Keep making that mistake. So the actual pressure is 3.5 times 1 atmosphere, which is 101,320. So the actual pressure is 354,620. I have it written here and another thing. So this is the pressure we're going to have to work with. So firstly, to convert this to hectopascals, we know that 1 hectopascal is 100 pascals. So in order to get from 100 to 354,620, we do 354,620 and then over 100. So obviously that'll be 3546.2 hectopascals is 354,620 pascals. The next one, millimeters of mercury. We know that 1 millimeter in mercury is 133 pascals. In order to get from 133 to 354,620, so 354,620 over 133, it is a scaling factor of 2666. So 2,666 millimeters of mercury is about 354,620 pascals. Now, of course, converting this to millimeters, 10 to the minus 3. So this is actually 2.6 meters in mercury, which is quite a lot. The tallest man ever to live, I can't remember fully what height he was, but I think it was about 2.4, it was about 2.6. It's 8 foot 11 and a half, 8 foot 11 inches, but I can't do a conversion. So it's 107 inches, and I can't think. That's about, yeah, that's fine, whatever. So yeah, it's quite a lot of pressure. Um, Often decompression sickness you might have seen referred to as the bends. And another thing actually to look out for when doing this, if you're actually interested in the science of diving, this thing is to actually look at a sort of sarcastic um, scale in a way. It's known as the tequila scale, and it compares the amount of dizziness that one would feel in comparison to how many shots of tequila you would have taken to have an equivalent amount of decompression sickness, or essentially like loss of focus. There was, going off topic here, but there was a famous incident of some lad recording his way down trying to rescue a diver, and the decompression sickness was the equivalent to, I think it was about 8 straight shots of tequila, which just kind of shows how dangerous diving can be sometimes under certain conditions. So I guess there's a fun fact, but that's also how you can convert between the different pressure units.